Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Manycam and Ome TV, then open Manycam and grant camera, microphone, and storage rights. This lets Manycam act as a virtual camera. Once done, enable the overlay or draw over apps permission so Manycam can present its camera switcher while Ome TV runs. You do this now because without overlay and media permissions, Ome TV cannot receive Manycam's virtual feed. Make sure battery optimizations are off for Manycam, otherwise Android may stop the background capture. Next, you set Manycam's virtual feed. Pick your source, front or back camera, a recorded clip or screen share, then resize and crop to a 16:9 ratio if Ome TV prefers widescreen. Once chosen, set resolution to 720p or 480p for stable performance on mobile. Then enable the virtual camera output within Manycam. This registers Manycam as a camera option system-wide. If Android asks to switch camera permissions, accept them so Ome TV can see Manycam as. Finally, open Ome TV and immediately tap the camera selection control. Choose Manycam from the camera list so Ome TV uses the virtual feed. Test both video and microphone. If sound is missing, switch Manycam's audio source or reassign microphone permission. During chats, you can change Manycam scenes to show overlays, pre-recorded video, or a different camera. Just make the change in Manycam and Ome TV updates in seconds. If something breaks, restart both apps, re-enable overlay permissions, and lower Manycam resolution to improve reliability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.